Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Super Album TV, and we are unboxing the Vibe Sound mobile bass LED wireless speaker with the smartphone stand to it. This really got my attention. I'm very curious to see the functionality and see how everything's worked with that smartphone stand. Some of the features it includes are wireless connection, 2 hours of playtime, and it has an LED multi-color lights to it. Optional 3.5 millimeter stereo input, and some of the features are on the side. It just telling you some of it that's on the side. I'm gonna give y'all a zoom in the actual product, and as y'all can clearly see, I know y'all can see right here, I paid $8 for this, so I'm curious to see if this would be a value buy right here. Alrighty, so I'm trying to see if there's anything else to say. Up to 2 hours of playing time, standby time 8 hours, and it says charging time is 2 hours. And let me see if I can get the exact model for y'all. It says P021269. I don't know exactly if that is the model number or not, but that's what they have right here. P021269, and also it has Bluetooth capability, so that's really good. So let's open this up, guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got in here. We got everything in here. Alrighty. So they made sure they sealed it up really good. First thing that pops up, you got the input, the connector for the audio, the sound. Alright, so that's right there. The connector. And then we got, so it got, there's nothing else in the box, y'all can clearly see. So we have, there you go, the speaker right here. And it's really small. It got a small look to it. I mean, it kind of looked like it does on the box. You can see right here. It looked like it does in the box. It got the mode button. Guess you can go to reverse, fast forward, scan. And then right here in the inside, it has a TF card, a DC-in input for the audio. It got the USB, and then they got an on and off switch. As you can clearly see, it is on. It is on, it is on. I'm curious to see how this is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the unboxing of the Vibe Sound. Okay, the model is right here. DG-SQST-HOL20. It's a mobile based LED wireless speaker with a smartphone stand. And y'all can clearly see the colors change. I'm gonna give this a review, but this is an unboxing for it. Let's see if there's anything else here. Now that's all. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. And it looks like this. Hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. This is Super Album TV.